Welcome friends, this is Apurv and today we are going to kickstart with a Hello World application in React.js. Before we proceed, let's have a quick overview of React.js. So, what is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Please note one thing here, that React is just a JavaScript library, it is not a framework. Now the next question would be, why should we use React? So we are getting some features in React which we are going to talk about. But before that, I would like to let you know that we can create an app without React or without any other frameworks or libraries. But using React will make our job buttery smooth, that too without putting much effort. And since this library is created by experts, we don't have to worry about efficiency of this library. So the important features that React delivers is React is declarative. So what do I mean when I say React is declarative? For example, if we have to instruct a novice to prepare tea for us, we have to mention how much and what all ingredients are needed and how to prepare the tea. But when we need it from an expert, we just need to mention that we need tea and everything will be taken care by that expert. So React is like that expert. Whenever we need any component, we need something to be done in a particular way, we need something. We just need to put on to React that what we need and React will do everything for us. The second thing is React is component based. So what does component means? In a web page, always we can see there is one header, one footer, one navigation pan, left pan, right pan. So these all are called components. So we can use component anywhere. We can just one time prepare component and use it anywhere. The third thing is React is like learn once, write anywhere. So React doesn't assume anything that we are using React with this particular library or this particular programming language. So we can use it anywhere we want to. And React's one library is React Native. Using that we can use Android, we can make Android apps, iOS apps and other mobile phone apps too. Now let's move to our code part. First of all, we need Node.js installed on our machine. So for that, we'll just go to nodejs.org in our browser and we will download version 13.12.0 from here, and then after that we can install that using next. The next step is to open a text editor. For this tutorial, we are going to use VS Code. So let's open VS Code. And in VS Code, you can have one directory for you. For this, you can just go to File and open one folder. And that folder would be present here. So once the text editor is open, you just need to click on the terminal and get one terminal for you. We are going to use terminal to execute our commands. So we have now Node.js with us. How to verify that? To verify Node.js, we just need to write one command, node space -v. V is for version. So it is giving v13 13.11.0, means we have Node installed. The second thing was the editor, and we are already working in our Visual Studio Code editor. The third thing is terminal, which we are already using to execute commands. Now we have to create one application for us. So how to do that? We have to use command npx for this thing, then space, then create -react -app, then one space, and after that the name of our project. Make sure while naming our project we don't use any capital letters. So for now we will keep the name as Hello World. hello-world, and we'll click enter. So once it's completed, we can see some of the commands here like npm start, npm run build. So it is saying to start the development server, you can use npm start command. For testing, we can use npm test. So first we'll, as here it suggests also, we need to move to the folder where our project is there. That is hello world. So to check that, we can now expand it and we can see there are many files and folders inside. So first we'll try to run this application by moving to that folder, that is change directory hello-world. Sorry. After that, we have to run command npm start, and this will open up the application for us. So we can see React scripts have been started. So it is starting the development server, and now we can see on localhost 3000 port, it is opening the application for us. So here we go. We got our first React application. So this is simply React logo. This is one link, and here it says edit source app.js and save to reload. So we'll try that. We'll go to Visual Studio Code, go to source as it was suggested there, then app.js. And here we can see this statement written, whatever was there. So we can simply remove this one and change it with hello world and just save it to see if there it changes. And here we can see, yeah, without doing anything, it got changed. So we'll understand this folder structures, all folders and files in the next tutorial. Till then, happy hacking.